Kanigrams Hospital na duga khatway tarik mentau panai kan pet bat suma nong pangling ba kajing start ka juk kabamenta belatip kum ka telemedicine ne ka jiakran ning ba ka mobile phone hapreng kinong pang bar ki doctor u director Kanigrams u professor DM Thapa habekran bikinong tho khubor ka sing tho ding ulai thu ba kani kajing sedang jaka hospital ka long hadian biki pat ba ki sham jing e wan jaka hospital na mar kajing penjari ka jing khang dam na ne ka lockdown Ulay thu baki don ru kinong pang ki bani ki wei par ki jala ka than ste la mingi ki ba om shim la yo alat banwan shakane ka hospital.
And many of the patients who were taking consultations earlier from various northeastern states, they are not able to come for the routine problems or some emergency teleconsultations, emergency consultations which they were able to come. Now we have thought about is to start this teleconsultation for non-COVID patients. We had COVID patients teleconsultation which was inaugurated by our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangmaji, and now we thought is we also start on various days these consultations for various departments. We have listed general medicine, dental, cardiology, orthopedics, psychiatry, palliative care, obstetrics and gynecology, neurology, urology, oncology, dermatology, ENT and ophthalmology. Depending upon the need, we have given more slots for certain specialties because we have observed that these specialties are more often being consulted. So that is why we will be providing the online consultations.
U Professor P. Bhattacharya ubadai pe ya telemedicine ulai thu baki don ar benta ki baki pai ba ki la banya kran barki doctor kawai ka dei na ka benta ki pai ba ki bedon ni ka jingpang la ni suba jingpang coronavirus bar kawai par ka dei na ka benta ki pai ba ki bedon kanu kanu ka ja jingpang kini ki la banya kran bet barki doctor ling ba ki mobile ha ka ba ngin sapni ha ka screen.
For non-emergency cases, we can advise to consult his nearest doctor at the earliest. However, if we can at least get his friend or neighbor to allow him to use that phone and call us up, we will be able to again see him and give his treatment. It is important because we are trying to reach the last mile. The person in the remotest corner, he may not have a good connectivity. Some people use Skype, but his network may not be good. People may be using WhatsApp. People may be using Facebook. People are familiar with these things today. So they can call through Facebook. The identity, if they are calling through Facebook, they have the places to contact. Public has to know that it's very simple. It is nothing complicated. We have got 6 mobile numbers. 4 have been added. We had already put 2 for the COVID-19. It should be made clear that even if people call us on the COVID-19 for a non-COVID consultation, we shall honor it. It is not that, no, this is a COVID number, you call the other number. Public has to have that convenience.
Kila ruban bu kerteng la ni book lupa link ba ka WhatsApp, Facebook bar ki wei de kilat na ka benta banya thu ya ki jingpang jonki link ba ka ni Kanigrams ka la ruban ya kran bar ki nurse la ni ki doctor ha ki PHC bar ki dispensary ki badan shanong kendong u professor la thu ru ba Kanigrams ka dang pen kre ringkar ka jetre lang bar ka North East Space Application Center ban pha dawai chi ki nong pang ki badan chi ki jaka nong kendong link ba ka drone na ka ri khasi channel ka bu ikini ki jing ba tha ha ka screen khnang we ki pai ba kan tip